Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Matt here, Rolling Heavy Magazine. We're just installing the door locks back in the side and back doors of the Dodge A100. Our buddy Alex, he rekeyed them for us. Thanks a lot, Alex. We really appreciate that, man. Helped out a ton. Still got to do the fronts, but if you've ever done front door locks on a A100, you know what a pain in the ass they are. So we're going to wait on those for a little bit. Anyway, so we're basically here. We're going to do this. We thought this would be a good time to kind of open up into the next chapter of the Dodge to L-A100 video. A lot of you guys have been asking about when the next chapter's coming, so we figured we'd start right now. We apologize, it's taken us a month to get another video out, but we were back in Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and Iowa, taking that 75 Chevy G10, the A&K TV van that we got with Haggerty, from Ohio up to Davenport, Iowa for Iron Invasion, where we gave it away to one lucky winner. All the proceeds from that one went to the charity Helping Hannah's Heart, which helps kids with congenital heart defects and their parents paying their bills and stuff like that. Without the guys from Haggerty, that would never happen because they gave us full support in getting that thing, that whole project from Ohio up to Iowa and making it all happen. So thanks a lot, Haggerty. You guys really helped out, and without you guys, it wouldn't have happened. So, with that being said, we're going to finish putting these locks in. Here's the next chapter of the Dodge L-A100. Check it out. We hope you dig it. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 2 of our adventure. We woke up and walked across the street to Milburn's shop. Milburn had the van out back, so we headed out there to get started. Walking up on the old girl for the first time, we saw wires and cables coming out of the grill hole and duct tape to the front bumper. Along with that, there was an extra rear end on the ground and another Slant 6 and trans on a run stand sitting next to it. We did a quick walk around to start assessing our situation. After that, we stepped back into Milburn's shop for a quick powwow.
Dark cloud rising, and I wonder what's gonna come of me. I see a dark cloud rising,
Then we cruised back out and started making our initial list of what all was unhooked, missing, or needed to be replaced.
when I die, won't you please remember me?
I slid under the front of the van to take a peek and see what was hiding below. I'd seen worse. After that, we proceeded to start pulling all the parts out of the van and laying them out. There were multiples of some items, so they got grouped together so we could find the best one for this old rig. By the time we got all this done, we were already losing daylight, but we started on a few things anyway, just to get going. Milburn kicked on the outside shop lights, and we wrenched into the evening. It had been a pretty productive day. Here we are in day 3.
We're doing a swap meet at noon so we can try to get rid of some of these parts we don't need from this van. Sell some merch, make some gas money. And then in between, turn wrenches on that van and try to get it ready to hit the road.
By this point, we had a pretty good idea of what tools we were going to need with us on the road and what extra parts we could let go of. Our buddy Miguel from Die Cruisin and some of the fine folks from Texas Boogie Vans put together a little show and swap over off Pipeline Road in Hurst, Texas. That started around noon. We could sell some rolling heavy merch and let go of some of the parts we really didn't need to help get some money together for the trip back. Milburn told us there was a pretty good swap meet over in Grand Prairie across from Yellow Belly Drag Strip that we could probably score some of the tools and stuff that we needed for the shakedown run back to Los Angeles and at a fraction of the cost. So we followed him over there and did just that. Boy, was he right. Deals for days, and it kept some dough in our pockets. We got what we needed and split ways with Milburn for the day. It was late in the morning by now, so we were westbound and down en route to Hurst. It was time to check out the van show and see what we could sling. It was a damn fine time sipping some suds, meeting folks, seeing old friends and new. After the show, we stopped by Waffle House, then jammed back to the shop to get back to work. When we got there, Milburn had a surprise for us. He called in his pinstriper buddy to make the toolboxes for our road trip back a little bit more memorable. So while they did that, we got back to wrenching. And let me tell you, there's nothing like getting the brand new carb you need fresh out of the box, finding it's cracked all over, and it's the only one around for days. Milburn had to go to welding it up. By the end of the day, we were far from finished, but we were ready to make this thing fire.
Are you filming this? Like, this is everything you're not supposed to be doing.
Give it a little bit more. More.
Folks, here we are on day 4 of this adventure. All of our hard work is coming to fruition. We've taken this bucket of bolts and turned it into a running and driving van. Now it's time to work the bugs out and see if we can get it to pull itself up and down the road. What do you think?
I want to go in and give it a good old, I want to look at everything as far as fluids and stuff, and just make sure we have no more leaks, or make sure our leaks have been solved. And then I feel so solid. I've never felt a van that's more solid. This feels very solid.
How fast did you get it going to?
45. It's just sketchy. The roads are horrible.
Right.
So there's too many dips, but I felt it definitely had more in it. The tranny was shifting. I got it to shift to this twice. So I don't know if it's a 2 or 3 speed tranny or whatever it is, but it felt very good. I don't smell anything nasty. The brakes work very well. The speedometer works.
Huge.
We have no clue if we have gas or not.
Great. Copy that.
Other than that, the engine temp is at 25%, so we're good.
All right.
Let's do this.
Hey Adam, 1,500 miles to go. A gas gauge that kind of works.
Gas gauge kind of works. Temperature sensor that works. We got shifter that works. We have 12 volt that works. We're gonna try to make it.
Okay guys, that's the end of the second chapter of the Dodge L-A100 on the 65 Dodge A100 we got out of Dallas, Texas last year. Hope you enjoyed it. If you can, please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Helps us grow the channel, gives us the ability to make more cool van content. And also I wanted to say thanks again to Haggerty for helping make last weekend happen. Without you guys, we would have never gotten that van out of storage in Columbus, Ohio, and up to Davenport, Iowa to give away at Iron Invasion 2021. Stay tuned for that. There's going to be more content on that coming in the Haggerty Network, as well as Rolling Heavy. It's Sunday. We got a lot to get done, so we're going to get back to work. Have a great Sunday, guys. We'll talk to you later. Thanks again. See ya.